Hello students, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar run by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today you will learn maths along with me. Students, you know that schools are closed due to COVID-19 pandemic, right? So we all are opted for online and offline learning and teaching. Means we all are in the stream of education and we learn one or the other new topics daily. Correct? So today also we will learn one more new topic in maths. Okay? Yes, students, today we are going to learn maths of standard 4 and the topic name is addition. Yes, students, you know that whenever we need the total of any two numbers or more than that, we do addition. Correct? Now, for example, when we purchase 2 to 3 items from the shop and when we are going to pay to the shopkeeper, then we add all the prices. Correct? And then we pay the total price or total amount to the shopkeeper. Yes, students, you know how to add 3 digits numbers. And that also without carrying over, right? Today we will take a revision of last year's portion and then we will move to the this year's portion. Okay, revision. Sum is there. Now units, tens and hundreds places you know, and sum is given here. Okay, now see 3 plus 5 and you know that we start from unit place. Correct? 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8 and 2 plus 3 is 5. This you know. Correct? One more sum we will take as a revision. Okay, we will add this. 4 plus 2 in the units place is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. See one more sum. Here we have taken up to 4 digits. Okay. We will add 2 plus 5 7. Please see the unit place, then tens place. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. One more sum of 5 digits. Okay. First we will write the number one below the other. This is vertical arrangement. Here 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes, students, this all we have done is addition without carrying over. Correct? That is also in the vertical arrangement. Arrange horizontally and add. Okay, here we have taken 4 digits, 2 numbers. We will add them in horizontal position. Yes, dear students, so I will make a table and I will write the places so that it will become very easy to add. Okay, here table is there. We will write the first number 4235. Okay, plus one more table. Again I will write the places. Then I will write number, that is 5140. Okay, we will do addition now. Before that, for the answer, we are going to prepare one more table. Okay, yes, now we will start addition. You know that the procedure is same for vertical arrangement and also for the horizontal arrangement. So we will start addition from the unit place. Now see dear students, in the unit place 5 plus 0. So we will write the answer 5 is in unit place. Okay, now we will take out this, then we will move to the tens place. See dear students, here 3 plus 4. You know the answer is 7. Where we will write? We will write in the tens place. Okay, now third one, we will move to hundreds place. Here 2 plus 1, that is 3. Where we will write? Yes, again in the hundreds place. Okay, now last is thousands place. Here 4 plus 5 is there, is 9, correct? There where we will write? We will write 9 in the thousands place. Okay, like this we do the sum of addition in the horizontal arrangement. Okay, one or two examples we will solve on this. Okay, add horizontally. See dear students, now we will not write the places, we will move directly. For sum, in the unit place 2 plus 2 is 4. Now tens place 1 plus 5 is 6. Now hundreds place 0 plus 9 is 9. And in the thousands place 5 plus 3 is 8. Got this students? Now we'll move to the second sum. Very easy. Only we have to give importance to the places. Okay, we'll start 4 plus 3 in the unit place. The answer is 7. Then tens place 5 plus 2 is 7. Hundreds place 4 plus 4 is 8. And in the thousands place 6 plus 3 is 9. Correct? Now we will move to the new topic, that is addition with carrying over. See dear students, here one sum is there. Avni, a girl, she has 543 beads. See here, hundreds, that pouch 5 are there, and tens 4 are there, and single beads 3. Okay, and one more, her friend Abhinav, he has 638 beads. Now means 600, hundreds, 6 pouches, and 3 tens beads, and single beads 8 are there. Now we are going to count how many beads do both have together. Okay. Now first we will make a table and we will keep here units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay dear students, see here first we will move to unit place. Unit place means singles. Now here how many total singles are there? Avni has 3 and Abhinav has 8. So all together they became 11, correct? So we can write 11 like this. Here tens, one bead, string and one single. Can we write like this? The meaning is same. Single, single, they are 11. Here what we did for our easy work, what we did, we made the group of 10 together and we kept one as single. Okay, we will write the same thing in the table. Here 3 we will write because Avni has 3 single beads. Plus we will put Abhinav has 8 single beads. Together it became 11. So what we did? We made one string of tens. So I will write this in tens column. Okay? Got this? And one remaining single we will write in the unit place. Okay? Is it clear? Then we will move to the tens place. Okay? Here Avni has how many tens strings? 4. And Abhinav has 3. Then all together we will add 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. This is easy. Okay, now we will move to now hundreds pouches. Here see, these how many hundreds pouches are there? Together they are 5 plus 6, they are 11. Total 11 pouches are there. So again we can write like this. We will make 10 hundreds together in one pouch or on one box, that is 1000, and one single 100. Got that? Is it clear? Same thing what we did in the units and tens column. Okay, we will write here first 5 hundreds, 6 hundreds. That Avni's and Abhinav's. Okay. Now together it became 11 hundreds. So we made 1000 packet or box, and 100 we have written in the hundreds place. Okay. And any more thousands are there? No. So this one we will write in the end in the answer column. Okay. So what is the answer here? They both together have 1181 beads. Got this, students? This is the way to do the addition with carrying over. We will do 2 more sums like this. Okay, solve the sums given. Sum is given here, plus we will put. Now here you know now how to do. We will add this 6 plus 5 in the unit place, that became 11. Yes dear students, one we will make a bundle of 10 and we will send this one to the tens place. Means one is carried over to the tens place. Now we will add the numbers in the tens column, that is 1 plus 8 plus 4, that is 13. Again here 13 tens means 1 we will carry over to the hundreds place. Then here we will add now 1 plus 7 plus 4, that is 12. Again we can't write two numbers in a single column. 1200 means 1000s group and 200s group. So we will write 1 in thousands column. So the answer is 1231. Okay. One more example we will see. Okay. Now here in the unit place, 7 plus 8 is nothing but 15. Again here 15 units means 1 tens group we will make and we will send that one to the tens place. That is called carried over. Now we will count the numbers and we will add the numbers in the tens place. That is 1 plus 6 plus 6, that is total is 13. Again here 13 tens. So we will carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Now we will add the numbers from the hundreds place, that is 1 plus 5 plus 7, the answer is 13. So again we will carry over 1 to the thousands place. Now we will add the numbers from the thousands place, that is 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. The answer is 8335. Okay. Yes students, we know how to add two numbers, correct? Now we will add 3 numbers. Here 3 numbers are given. Now we will add. First we will make the table. We will write units, tens, hundreds, thousand column. Okay. Now we will write the first number in the table, that is 3414. Now we will start from unit place. 4, 1, 4, 3. Okay. Then plus we will put. Then the second number is 135. So 5 we will write in the unit place, 3 in the tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Okay, always start writing from unit place. Now the third number is 12. Only 2 digits are there. From unit place we will start 2 and tens place 1. Okay, this we have written the given sum in the table. Now we will add. Again we start from unit place. Here 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 11. Correct? 1 we will write in the unit place and 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now you know why we do like this. Correct? Okay. Now in the tens column, how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. So we have to add all these 4 numbers. That is 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Now we will move to hundreds place, that has 4 plus 1, that is 5. And here in the thousands column only 3 is there. So this is the answer. That is 3561 is the answer for addition of given 3 numbers. Okay, here only one thing that is important is that you have to write the number from unit place. Okay. Now homework, that is page number 19 and page number 20 has like these sums. Okay, please do the practice. Okay, thank you very much and take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.